I needed some strong, durable magnets for a project around the house. Love that these are beveled on the edge, so I don't have any sharp edges. They're about the size of my thumbnail, about 0.7 of an inch. They come with these pretty sticky 3M self-adhesive foam backings, which I really like, and they stick really well for me. I've had no issue with any of the 3M products I've had with their stickability and stay, and just giving this a wild test here, they're staying super, super well. So I think they'll work fine for the project. And then, yeah, they definitely stick. Had a hard time getting that off. Love that it comes with a pack of magnets, 20 in all. And when they're showing a lot of resistance, the pull is great on them. And, well, they're just sticking together. Let's see if I can pull them apart. It's quite a stick. Let's see if I can separate them. And, yeah, it just pulls right together. So love the magnet force of these. Love that I have a bunch of them. And they are ceramic. So I do see a little bit of residue when I'm peeling off the 3M, but other than that, they're not leaving any marks on my hands. Overall, first impressions, strong, durable, versatile, happy with these. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I can make more videos like this.